Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of our summer reading arts and crafts. My name is Miss Shannon from the Macedon Public Library, and this week we are going to be making a pet fish. So this is a little fish that I decorated and then I assembled the home where he lives. So we do have some kits available at the library while supplies last, and inside your kit, you're going to get a little fish cutout for you to decorate. And then you're also going to have a sandwich-sized plastic bag. And then also in your big bag, there's going to be some blue shredded paper. And this is going to be our water. So that's everything in the kit that you'll get. I'm also going to be using some crayons to decorate my fish. So you can go ahead and grab some crayons, or I encourage you to use whatever art supplies you have at home that is available to you to decorate your little fish. And so once you have all of your materials, let's go ahead and make our pet fish together. I'm going to point my screen down at first so that we can decorate our fish together. Okay, so I have some crayons that I'm going to use to decorate my fish. And I'll put my little example over here, you guys can see it. So first, I'm going to use some orange, and I'm going to start coloring my fish. So I think I'm going to make the face and the tail of my fish orange. You can decide what colors you would like to make your fish. Would you like to put some designs on your fish? Do some stripes or some polka dots? Or maybe just all one color. And then for the rest of my fish, I decided to do some stripes. So I'm going to alternate some colors and give my fish some stripes. So first I'm going to use red, and then the sea green color. Some purple. And then yellow. And I'm just going to alternate these colors. Next is my red. And sea green. Purple. And yellow. I'm just going to repeat this until I get to the other fin of my fish. If you'd like to decorate your fish along with me, go right ahead. We are almost there. Right, and very lastly, my yellow. All right, so I have colored my fish in. I'm going to use a black crayon to draw an eye on my fish. There we go. I'm just going to put a couple stripes on its tail. There we go, and I think my fish is all decorated. So this is what mine looks like. And now we can go ahead and assemble our little fish's home. So I'm going to point my screen up a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing. All right, so now we're going to assemble our fish home. So go ahead and grab your plastic bag, your sandwich-sized one, so your small one, and open that up. And then we need to transfer our blue shredded paper, and it needs to go into our sandwich bag. So you can decide how you would like to transfer your paper. Open up my bag. If it's easier just to reach in and pull some out and put it in your sandwich bag, that's totally fine. I'm going to try to kind of dump mine into my sandwich bag. So I'm going to fold the top over a couple of times. Make an easy spout. And put it all in the corner. And then we're just going to try to pour this into our baggie. So this could get a little messy, so pour your water into your bag. Awesome. All right. Well, that worked out nicely. So now you have some water in your bag and you can squish that around. And now your fish can go inside. You can put it right up front so you can see your fish in the water. And then you can seal the top. And now your fish has a nice little home and you have a pet fish. So if you'd like, you could give your fish a name and then put it somewhere safe that you can have it around. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity and we will see you again next week. Bye.